Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Atma Namaste, beautiful souls. How are you all doing? My name is Karishma and I'm going to talk on health for this week. That is from 1st of September to 7th of September. We all know by now that how important it is to take care of our health. Our health plays an important role in determining our overall well-being. So, good health enables us to live a productive and an enjoyable life, while poor health can lead to sufferings and disability. The guidance for this week is that you need to have clarity of your thoughts. Our thoughts shape our physical and our mental body. You are an intuitive person, and this will guide you in knowing what's good for your health. This week you can start meditation, yoga, dancing, walking, gymming, or any form of physical activity that you feel is suited best for you. Also, listen to podcasts or lectures on physical well-being, as this will keep you motivated. If you want to see results externally, you have to work on yourself internally, and that too every day. As we all know, Rome was not built in a day. The same way, our health achievements also will require a good amount of time, effort, patience, and consistent work. This week, you may face headaches or an eye-related problem. Few remedies for your health are that you need to meditate on your chakras, especially on your third eye. This will give you clarity of thoughts. Chant the Beej Mantra Om and also wear indigo colors. You can also eat or drink grape juice and chocolates. This week, please take care of your health, be proactive, and enjoy your life. Thank you.
Namaste Divine Souls, I'm Alpa, your Mokshpata expert and guide, here with you for the week of 1st September to 7th September 2025 in the Punch Portal program, offering insight into relationships through the Divine Mokshpata mode. Let us look into what this week brings for us. Number 1, illusions in relationships. This week may carry a layer of illusion in relationships. What appears to be true might not be the actual reality. Be mindful before trusting or diving deeper into any new or existing connections. Number 2, phantom connections. Some relationships may feel real but may not have solid grounding. Be aware, not every bond is meant for the long run. Number 3, check the foundation. Whether it is love, friendship, or any other relationships, check its authenticity. Don't rush. Observe, understand before you commit emotionally or mentally. Number 4, stay grounded and conscious. It is easy to get swayed by emotions this week. Choose to stay centered. Avoid chaos, argument, and miscommunications. Number 5, relationship with self. Most importantly, check your relationship with yourself. Affirm, I am right, I am complete, I don't need anyone to complete me. Number 6, acceptance. Welcome your own expectations. Accept others as they are without trying to change or control. Number 7, tools for inner peace. This week, practice deep breathing, meditation, mindfulness, any grounding activity that helps you to stay calm and present. Number 8, divine support. Let the divine hold your hand and walk you through this sensitive week. Trust the higher power and allow divine blessings to guide you. Thank you. May this week bring clarity, calmness, and soulful connections. May you stay rooted in truth and divinely protected in all your relationships. God bless you. Have a great week ahead.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Moksha Pat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Moksha Pat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू की दोस्त, आपकी साथी। आई एम अ लाइफ कोच, एविएशन एक्सपर्ट एंड एनर्जी थेरेपिस्ट। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द गाइडेंस फॉर स्पिरिचुअलिटी फ्रॉम September 1st to September 7th according to Moksha Pat board. This week you will embrace your true self, यानी अध्यात्म के जिस मार्ग को आप अपनाकर अभी तक चल रहे थे उसमें थोड़ा सा बदलाव आएगा। आप अपनी आंतरिक भावना और आकांक्षा से ये अनुभव करेंगे कि वास्तव में अध्यात्म का अर्थ क्या है, जो आपको मानसिक संपूर्णता भी देता है। आपको ये एहसास होगा कि प्रकृति के दिए संसाधन और ईश्वर की बनाई प्रत्येक संरचना में ईश्वर का ही वास है। तो जो भी सुख सुविधाएं हमें प्रकृति ने, ईश्वर ने प्रदान की हैं, उन सब का आभार व्यक्त करना भी एक प्रकार का अध्यात्म है। आपको ये आंतरिक बोध होगा कि वास्तव में कुछ भी हमारे नियंत्रण में नहीं है। तो जो कुछ भी सुख सुविधाएं हमें मिली हैं, उन सब का आभार करते रहना और आगे जो भी होने वाला है उसके लिए अपने आप को संपूर्ण समर्पण करना। मीनिंग नथिंग इन आवर कंट्रोल, सो सरेंडर टू डिवाइन एंड गो विथ फ्लो। इस वाक्य का भावार्थ आप इस सप्ताह समझ पाएंगे। अध्यात्म में आपकी अभिरुचि इसी प्रकार निरंतर बढ़ती रहे, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ। टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड। बाय।
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Moksha Pat board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Moksha Pat reader and trainer, bringing for you the guidance for the week of 1st September to 7th September 2025 in regard to business and profession. The general reading comes on a positive box of fragrance, guiding us to change our perception, our old patterns and prejudices, and bring in a new and positive energy in our workplace. If others bring in fresh and new ideas, we should study them, accept them, and try to incorporate them, even if we feel uncomfortable. We need to rise above our personal likes and dislikes and look towards improvement, keeping the larger picture in mind. If you keep judging your employees and vendors from a personal perspective of right and wrong, there is little scope of growth in business spaces. The board guides us to eliminate those policies which are hindering our business and not letting us move towards progress. We can invest in updated technologies, make strategic cuts to unnecessary expenses while releasing outdated systems. In this time, we can focus on team performance and even embrace leadership changes and align with future vision. For if we keep on holding on to our outdated policies and resist necessary changes in leadership, then it will not lead to any progress. There is specific guidance from the board to adopt new business strategies for innovative growth, invest in research and development to stay ahead of industry trends. This is all for this week. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaskar. My name is Nupur and I'm here to present the Moksha Pat reading for the first week of September from the 1st to the 7th on a very important aspect of our lives, our finances. So I divided the reading for 4 different kinds of people in different professions. First is with jobs, the freelancers, then the small scale industrialists, and the big industrialists. For people doing jobs, the first guidance that I received was please follow the order, and your goal should be working towards the higher good of people and not only for your own self. If you do that, you will financially be rewarded and you'll be very, very happy at the end of it. For freelancers, it is important that you don't follow trends. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप अपने इनर गट फीलिंग को सुने, आप अपने इनर वॉइस को सुने, and then do as you're directed. Whether it's investments, whether it's strategizing what you need to do आगे, आपको जो भी decisions लेना है, take it with your own gut feeling, and you will not be surprised and you will not be unhappy. It will lead you to the financial goals that you want to achieve. Small scale industrialists के लिए हो सकता है this is not a great time, it may not give you great results जो आप expect कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आप हताश मत होइए. इस समय है कि बहुत शांति से बैठें to think, to understand कि क्या हुआ और आगे आप क्या चाहते हैं, and to bridge the gap between the two. So it is a time to plan and strategize. Use your time wisely and you will achieve whatever you want. So for big industrialists, this is a time for you and your team to be a little kind to yourselves. बहुत आपने मेहनत की है, अगर कुछ problems हो रहे हैं, don't be overcritical. Try and analyze the problems in light of a larger picture. It is a time to give yourself and your team a break and opt for higher knowledge. Whatever your aims are financially, whether it's of expansion or it is for correction, you will be able to do it and come out in flying colors. Thank you. Namaskar.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.